So a really brief section here on acid nomenclature. Acids are kind of special to us, so special that they get an entire chapter in this book that comes much, much later, not even in this semester. But what are special about acids is, at least most typically, you see hydrogen as a cation. Okay, so that is it there in the first element role. So it's there as the cation. So if we see HCl and it's there as a gas, this we don't regard as an acid per se, although it would have acidic properties. So this would be hydrogen monochloride. Didn't leave myself a lot of space there. Okay, but if we have it as an aqueous solution that is in water, it is definitely acting as an acid. And so this would get the name hydrochloric acid. And ic acid is the new part of this name that we'd want to pay attention to. This falls under a category of what's known as binary acids, and binary acids are hydrogen and just a single anion, like fluorine, bromine, or iodine. So this would be hydro, for the hydrogen portion of it, single word, fluoric acid. Okay? Again, so hydro with the hydrogen, and then fluoric for the fluorine. So following the same convention, hydrobromic acid. And the friendliest acids, just saying hi here, hydroiodic acid. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. Oxyacids, on the other hand, are oxygen, or where hydrogen again is acting like it's a cation. It's there as an aqueous, and SO4 is something that contains oxygen, making it an oxyacid. And so this gets the name, well, SO4 here, what is that? That is sulfate. Okay, so this gets the name sulfuric acid. Okay, anything that ends in an ATE in these polyatomic anions, if it ends in an ATE, that ATE becomes ic, or IC, and then we add acid after it. This is sulfite. And this would be known as sulfurous acid. And so anything that ends in an ITE is changed into OUS, and then we add the word acid after that. So that's all you need to know. You just need to sort of look at what the second half of this acid is. If it's sulfate, this will be sulfuric acid. If it's sulfite, it'll be sulfurous acid. Perchloric acid. Perchloric means that my anion is perchlorate. Perchlorate is ClO4 minus, which means that my cation is H, so HClO4. Hypochlorous acid, so hypochlorite is the anion I'm looking for, and that is ClO minus, and H has a +1 charge, so HClO. Okay, so again, anything that ends with an ATE becomes ic acid. Anything that ends in ITE becomes us acid. We keep the root of the word and then add these suffixes. And since all of our polyatomic anions, oxy ones at least, end in ATE or ITE, that covers all of our acids. So, hope that helps. Good luck.